Hey, what's up everybody? This is Shannon King coming to you from Brooklyn, New York, here in the United States. And you know what? Today we're going to be working with, our working spray. What? To style with? Absolutely. Check this out. I need the hair to be dry. So I'm going to spray just a little bit, just a touch in, and make sure the hair is dry. This is the Brooklyn Boho. So the Brooklyn Boho is all about making ropes and then you rouge them. Check this out. I'm gonna use my amazing Various iron, right? I'm gonna take a section and you wanna start very close to the base and roll it. That's right, roll it. So I'm gonna put it in, wrap it, and make it rope, like so. So point the iron to the head and keep wrapping, turning, like so, until I get that rope, just like that. Then we're gonna rouge it, right? So then you take, starting at towards the scalp, you just wanna take pieces, grab a couple of hairs and rouge them back towards the scalp, like so. I've done that also throughout the rest of the head. As you do that, things get a little shorter, a little closer to the head form, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Like so. Look, then we can take a couple slides or grips, put them in, bonk, like so, just to get them to hold this shape. Add a little bit more spray. Dude, this is the Brooklyn Boho. You want to make it easy, make it quick, make it fast. There we go. Just like that. And it creates your own new shape. There we go. So for me, it's all about having fun with texture and creating different ideas, different feels, different movements in the hair. But look, we get this really cool shape and feel from the hair just by creating these ropes and then rouging them, right? Take small pieces, push them back towards the scalp, and there you go. You know what, in this time, guys, it's time to play. It's time to have some fun. Trying to try some things out, right? That maybe you've had ideas about, maybe you haven't, but you know what? This is a great time to try. Look forward to the next video. They're coming now.